Want the ultimate convenience of using Klarna with just a tap of your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link Klarna with Apple Pay for seamless shopping both online and in stores. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Combining Klarna with Apple Pay is a powerhouse move for quick and flexible payments. Let's get it set up. First, it's important to know that you don't directly link your main Klarna account to Apple Pay. Instead, you use Klarna's one-time card feature. Open your Klarna app and tap on the Pay in Store option from the home screen. The app will instantly generate a unique virtual card. Right on that screen, you'll see a prominent button that says Add to Apple Wallet. Tap it. Your iPhone will automatically switch to the Wallet app with the Klarna card details preloaded. Follow the on-screen prompts from Apple to add the card. You might need to agree to terms and conditions and verify the addition with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. In moments, the Klarna card will appear in your Apple Wallet, ready to use. Now, for the pro tip that everyone needs to know, this Klarna card in your Apple Wallet is dynamic. For security and functionality, it's designed for short-term use. If you plan to use Klarna with Apple Pay regularly, you will likely need to generate a new Pay in Store card in the Klarna app before each shopping trip and add it to your wallet again. To use it, it's simple. Online, just select Apple Pay at checkout and authenticate. In stores, just double-click your side button, Authenticate, and hold your phone near the reader. The payment will be processed through your Klarna account, splitting the cost according to your plan. And that's how you merge the flexibility of Klarna with the convenience of Apple Pay. If this tech tip made your life easier, please hit that like button. Do you use Apple Pay for most of your purchases now? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel, because next, we're tackling how to pay with Klarna on Instagram shopping. Thanks for watching.